March chat. We should be live. I imagine that the audio in this room is rather bad. Containing. Sort of primary. Right, so we're experimenting with the O3 Mini High model. So essentially it's going to follow the perfect layout there, which is, I mean, it looks reasonable to my fucking brain. Any other comments? So long ago I used // It's crazy. Input validation. I said no room next to us. Tricky guys though. This should be fine. I think the audio isn't coming through the... No, it is. Sure. It's a little tacky, but it's nice. So... Let's put my phone over there actually. So stuff underneath the mouse here. Oh, the table's finished. Feels like there was something on the mouse. Because for this using string, string size type. That's like a useful loop. This makes some sense in my brain. This position. So we're starting. So we're starting from the position of this guy. Sets the position of. Yeah, exactly. So that makes sense. So if so we don't know what the string is called, right? Or do we? Am I dumb? Okay, so you just have text as the thing. Okay, we have text. Yeah, okay, yeah, we do have text. We do have text. Text. Yeah, we have text. Okay, good. Good. Yeah, that makes sense. No brain. Text. Position. Not of position, of I minus 1. So if that thing equal to, can we check it that way? Don't know. Plus string compare, right? Yeah. It's the cars. We want to check the. Well, I mean, we are checking char compare, right? Okay, this thing can fuck off. This thing can fuck off too. So we are technically checking the char. So I'm taking the char from the thing. So what does this thing return? Reference to the character. So we should be able to write it like this. We're looking for the left brain. Looking for this guy. If that is true, can we do things? I should put this thing up there with that thing. That's just more so a personal preference. as far as I'm concerned. That doesn't seem like a good solution to me. So this won't work. Here you can return I minus 1. Well, we can be a little clearer. Checking is I minus 1. And this is an int. We should probably check it first. If checking is less than 1, then return set somewhere what we were supposed to return. Did that say in the thing? Wait, let me check. String and pos if there's no match, yeah. So it wanted string size type pos. So here you should just be allowed to return checking. I think. Because if we check this thing first here, then we don't need to handle that situation. I mean, this thing should actually check that anyway. Come to think of it. So actually we won't need this thing, because this thing here will catch it. So it's fine. Should we handle this in a thing? Right, yes, we should. Track how many right parentheses we should expect. So we need to check if it's this thing here. If and can you type and in this language? Yes. And count is equal to 1. How do you write else if? That doesn't. Do you write it like this? No. Do you write else ifs like that? Looks like you do. Else if what position does the character we are checking Damn, this thing is fast. Okay. That looks like it's working, yeah. Yes. Good catch. Yes, and that's should have the impulse thing. Should be here. Like that. There we go. It's fixing my mistakes for me, but I'll fix it myself. Oh, this is the yeah, this is the wrong one. Ouch. So let's actually build this thing now. I need to eat this thing at some point, chat. But not entirely sure when I'll do that. think. Oh, it's a little watery. It's been sitting out for a little while. Yeah. It's not bad, but I should have maybe eaten it a little while ago. Let it set outside a little too long. But I'm sure it's fine. Scooping it all into my mouth. Right. Um, look at this thing here. Just look here. Just need a code to build a thing. Should really learn to write it on my own. Where's the terminal button again? It's control and apostrophe. Oh. Okay. That's pretty useful. Today I learned. It's not the button I'm looking for though. Where's the... Regardless, if we run this thing here, we'll get the terminal up. So that works. Okay. We want to run this thing. If I just type in editor test.cc, trying to just That was the command I needed. Give it this thing here, see what it says. I like its little emojis, it's cute. Plus plus. Den funkar. See if it figures that out. I know a good way of doing it. Just want to see if it can do it good. Yeah, I'm spending a lot of time here on a pretty basic problem. This is a good way of doing it. Sure, just gonna borrow this code here. There's the thing. I clicked the wrong thing. This is kolla vem den ligger close. Does this code actually work? Do I actually need... That is actually a little bit of a better way of doing it, isn't it? It looks a little cleaner. Looks good, and they have the eye in here, which is just a little cleaner to do it this way. You can absolutely do it over there, but there's no real reason to. Yeah. This one is still, the first one seems wrong. And this one is wrong. Hmm. Okay, so something here ain't right. Let's see if it figures it out. Just want to be able to look into what the model is thinking. This is impressive. Look at it go. Gonna letting it see if it can figure it out. This guy, so we should find that guy. Yeah, which our code accounts for. Feels like a convoluted solution. I like our solution here more. I think that it should be solvable. Let me take this one here. I'm just gonna put it in a okay, cool. Good, the things are working. Got here, and I'm going to copy this new version here. And copy here, build a new one. It's the same problem we had before, right? Seems to be wrong. I don't know. This is taking some wind out of my sail. Yeah. Right, so it was always working, I was just doing it wrong. A big stupid noob. Okay, cool. Let's continue on with our life. This model is, I mean, I don't think I am doing fairly easy things, so I don't think I need to. I mean, 4.0 can honestly do what I'm trying to do here. I'm not doing anything super complicated, so. Using 0.3 is overkill for the type of problems I'm solving here, seemingly. Yeah. Cool, so this makes sense. I think I'm gonna move on to the actual thing that I'm supposed to do. Something big here. Let me just like save. Cool. I mean, yeah. I really should move on. I mean, I want to write these things here as well. But, I should do this, of course, as well, but I should get a bit too late. I shouldn't drink these things now. I'll try to sleep it, but it's fine. Right. Så vi börjar de här också. Det bråkar inte just nu. Jag vill bara så göra labett egentligen, så att den är gjord. Och så. För att jag börjar bli lite stressad av att så. För jag har mycket att ta igen de andra kurserna också. Eller speciellt i mattekursen igår. Känner jag. Men making good progress though. Making good progress. Döda den. Så det är därför de blev förvirrade innan. För att jag tror att den här gör fel. Men det var jag som hade gjort fel. Det var därför jag bara tyckte att svaret den gav var väldigt convoluted. Jag tyckte att den här koden borde fungera och det gjorde den. Så det var bra. Ska se här nu. Vi trycker save all. Just det, är någon kommentar eller någonting av. Så fint. Nu stänger denna. Ja, det var det som är. Här så har vi denna. Den där, då har vi denna här, right? Yeah. Composer available, yeah. Mm-hmm. Hello CC, let's see here. Så det borde vara en hello CC här inne någonstans. Hello? Where did it go? Nu måste jag gå här. Build separately the resulting object files are linked into an executable. Okay. I should actually kind of want to read through some of these things. Did I bring my iPad? Let's look. I don't remember if I did. It doesn't look like I did. All right. So then we're not, because I wanted to download this file here on my iPad and just like highlight some things to really just like go through it properly. Because there's a lot of text and like it's all, or mostly it's stuff that he has said in the course and things that I already know about and such, but it is important, so. I need to have a piss at some point, but I'm not super in need now. Check. One of the games played today. This is crazy and this is sad. The bros were so close. KBDS is a dog shit match. I want to watch this one. That's the only one I give a shit about. This one. This one is like slightly interesting in terms of like can SK actually get a win. So it would be nice to watch this one. I mean this one is interesting as much as like G2 is actually a bad team at the not bad, but right. Like they should turbo stomp them. And this is another bottom team. And then this is like, oh, is KC actually like top 3? And then they should crush them. But I thought they're like the 6th best team or so. So like, this could be an upset. But yeah, I might watch these two games here, which means I have about an hour left here. I don't want to go home, so I probably won't. I've been streaming for about an hour. Okay, cool. Another hour in me, and then when does NLC playing? No, these guys here, Super Early in Lyon. Dig DSG. I don't give a shit about LT North. And then tomorrow here is Nyongshing, which is completely uninteresting to me. Wait, is there only one match in LCK? That's really weird. There's only one match. Why is it two dog shit teams? And here's the bottom feeder match. That's kind of fun to watch in terms of like there's at least parity in this match. They're both bad teams, but I'm not watching this match. BDS GX. GX is doing really well right now, and BDS is doing really bad. So GX should really take it. But I can see BDS winning that. Fnatic KC, that's a really fun one. Team Heretics Vitality is, again, it's a bottom feeder match. Or not a bottom feeder, it's a middle of the table fight, so it's at least parity. And then this ends the regular season, which is fun. So tomorrow is a lot better games. Or no, there's Monday as well. Okay, so again, some parity here potentially if GX aren't. This is like the 6th best team, and this is probably like the 5th best team, probably. This should be a stomp, but it's an old rivalry. French showdown. This will be a stomp, and this will be a stomp. So the fucking league just ends in dog shit, man. Should just giga stomp here. So yeah, this last week of games is boring. So this is Monday. Yeah, this is Monday here. Yeah. Just stands in dog shit. I mean, there's like, this match is interesting. This match can be interesting. This is shit. This is shit. This is shit. Right, but that's, you have like 5 good teams, which is incredible. Usually we have at most 2. So it's really, really exciting in that sense. But it's just unfortunate that a lot of the like sort of good teams have played each other. So what? So I don't know how much I'll watch, but I will watch GX BDS, and I will watch wait, it's tomorrow? Those were the good ones. This is a banner. Yeah, and this one is also exciting. Somewhat. I mean, and this one. So there's like 2 good games here. And this one is at least a little bit interesting. So this day has a little more interesting games than today. This one I don't give a shit about. BDS should really take it. And this one is interesting. And that's it. This is the only really good game today. I don't know which other one I was really excited about today. Like, this one is like fine. I don't know. I might just actually not watch anything. Right, I said I was gonna watch this one, but like, at the same time, these 2 teams are pretty bad. So I might just skip it. Regardless, so we need to create the hello CC file by the looks of things. Don't you need an H file for it? I feel like in a file hello CC and compile it and test it. Right, so if we write like here and you go new is it new file? No, it's a text file. It's a C++ file. So yeah. So we're actually gonna have a, like, we don't need a header file really. Right. It's like done. Right. Yeah. You need IO stream. Yeah, that's sort of what I was expecting it to look like. I'll leave that one there because it feels so high up there. I'm dumb. Save. This is in lab 1, and we're going to name it. Hello. Is that what they wanted it to be named? Let's check the instructions. Hello CC. CPP, but that's whatever. Compile it and test it. I don't think you can just do this, right? Because I've fucked something up there. This is stuff here. I can't see a thing there being created. Well, it's doing something here. Let's make this thing big here for a second. It looks like it succeeded in doing something. Okay. So if I just, okay. So I can't see a hello CPP or exe file being created. Terminal, no terminal. So right, G++. And they want us to use C11, which sure out. So then first you write the name of the thing. We can check the should have those things on. I don't like that they're putting it in that way. I think writing it this way makes more sense to my brain. Then here you write in the things that you want. So hello dot cpp, and then you write out the output. Hello. No such file in directory. Oh, because it has a big H. Yes, it's in the fucking file directory. Why not? What am I doing wrong? I mean, I'm fucking retarded, right? Like, this isn't hard. I'm just haven't paid good attention to the things. I mean, it's next exercise will illustrate the separate compilation and difference between compiler errors and linked errors. Okay, now you have two different opportunities, which is fun. Like a bunch of things here. I'm just trying to. A bunch of things here. Okay. I'll make sure to. Streams, writing a small program. He's like looking through the entire thing. I think I can finish this thing today. It doesn't look like some of these things shouldn't take too long. It'll be an evening's work, but yeah. Which I first wanted to make sure this thing fucking runs, which is embarrassing. All the other ones have been named small things. And they are .cc files, so I'm actually slightly annoyed that this one is CPP. Just on that principle, I want to change it. Doesn't matter, they're equivalent. They're actually just the same thing. I think just Windows prefers CC or CPP. Plus. Output. Hello. And then we're at hello, which is it is big H hello.cpp. I mean, there is though. There is. It's right here. We can rename it to small h hello, and then we can rename it to Sissy. You prefer, not that that's the issue here, I can't imagine. How to check directory in command line. No, there's a command for it, pvd. Right here, lab set off. Oh wait, so print working directory. How to change working directory in Visual Studio Code. So, I mean, if it's fucking dumb enough to. Upside of empty, which is exactly what we want. But then we need to go into the thing here. Emphasized items. I don't know what that the fuck that means, but this fucker here. Push the run. Hello world. Okay, so that works. So like, what the fuck? Okay. So that's clearly a thing. I'm running the following command in the command line in VS Code. When I write pvd, get the following. It's untracked. What does that mean? The LOCC file is in a folder in that path. How do I add the folder to my working directory? Yeah, that's my question. Maybe I'm fucking retarded. I mean, I am retarded, but you know. I don't need to ask that fucking question to O3 Mini, but alright, so if I just, okay, so if I just do that, it would work. So if I type cd lab1, that opens up that thing. So if I now type this thing, that works. Cool. And if I now type hello.exe, that doesn't fucking work. Okay. /hello. ./hello. That works. I should just be able to type hello.exe in there. Doesn't that work? For command law, but it is right there. Bruh. Right, regardless. Save. I don't know what U means. Both work. It's whatever. It's fine. It's okay. All right, let's continue. We have written "Hello World." I didn't even write it. I just fucking let it cook. So here, yeah, we run. I'm just gonna actually punch it in the old-fashioned way. std equals c++ 11. Yeah. Output separate main separate main dot cc separate functions dot cc. Are those files not in here? They should be. They're right there. Did I yes, I did. Alright, well, if you can't fucking spell, then that's an issue. Oh no. Separate main. I actually separate. That works. And we now go separate main. The function called from main. Right, so we now open up the actual file. And then we have the function, which is in separate function, which is the function which. Oh, that's the header file. There's the CC file, which is the function, and then the string, and then bum. Which that makes, I guess that makes sense in my brain. Yeah. Cool. Oh, we're making good progress, chat. We're making good fucking progress. I'm not cold. I wish I'd brought a cow or a frog with me. Small frog. I should have bought small frog. No. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. So that adds a thing. Mhm. Så det lägger till de här objekterna. When I met you in the summer. What is it called? It's called separate main. Separate main. Alright, that one. For whatever reason, the function called from main. Yeah, that looks like it works. Try compiling a link and link just the file containing main with the command. Make sure you understand our message. Is it a compiler or a linker error? Okay, so it should be a linker error, right? Because we're trying to we're missing the file that it's calling. somewhere in here. We're missing this thing. Or well, how should I say this? When doing the header, so we're including the header there. When we're calling the function here from the separate main header, no, this one doesn't have an header, does it? It shouldn't need one. Because here we're including that thing, and then from here we're including this function, which then it can't call because we don't have the CC file. So it should be a linking error. Now we can actually run the thing. I just realized that the music isn't on. You guys should totally get some nice music on in the background. Let me increase that a tiny bit. Hopefully that sounds okay. Skip videos. I don't give a fuck. Do I come up with it? No. Which is annoying. I should change now. Right. What we're doing again here, so that's thing there. So I'm just gonna ask here. This is a linker error, correct? Just giving its thing here. This is the link out find the function information definition existing within a building process. Either by compiling the source file that defines it or by linking it to the other correct library. Yeah. So it's a linking error. So it's the linker that has the error at the very least, right? Yeah. So I am understanding that correctly. Hopefully. Sorry, now where the fuck are we? Yeah, down here. There are more options to command when we mention a section 1. Your source files must compile correctly using the following command line. Use the compile. Do not link. Okay. Optimize the object code. Perform nearly all supported optimizations. Print most warning signs. Print extra warnings. Produce errors for using non-standard language extensions. Warn on old style casts instead of static casts. Follow the C++ standard. Clang only. Use Clang on standard library instead of GNUs. Okay. Do not disregard warning messages. Even though the compiler chooses to only issue warnings, your problem is most likely erroneous or at least questionable. What a fucking banger. What an absolute fucking banger of a sentence. Holy fuck, chat. That's such a banger message. I'm gonna put that on a fridge. I'm gonna send that to my people. So I'm just gonna close this for just a second, chat. Wait, is my fucking camera... It's like not as laggy as it usually is. What the fuck? Wait, why? It's like not as laggy as it usually is. It actually like has a fucking frame rate that's not 2. What happened? What? That's incredible. That makes the fucking viewing experience like 20 times better. Okay, there we go, and let's turn this on again so you guys can actually see what's happening. And let's turn my own stream off. Okay, yeah, so we had a link error, and that shit worked. And yeah, okay, let's get back to this here. Pop a motherfucking cheese ball. Or 2. So remember you add the option of v-error, which treats warnings as errors. Treats warnings as errors. That's actually pretty good. That sounds fucking smart. Sounds smart. Some of the warning messages are produced by the optimizer and will therefore not be output if the O2 flag is not used. Some of the warning messages are produced by the optimizer and will therefore not be output if the O2 flag is not used. But you must be aware that optimization takes time, and on a slow machine you may wish to remove this flag during development to save compile time. Sure. The reason you're compiling without optimization is resulting in debugging. See section 7, okay. It's important you become used to reading and understanding the GCC error messages. The messages are sometimes long and may be difficult to understand, especially when the errors involve the standard library class templates. Okay. Okay. I have one last. This. So, oh, I hit the camera. The microphone. Should have come back here, motherfucker. Fuck. Shouldn't have touched it with the fucking pot I'm eating. I don't have a place to place it. Just placing it on a table feels wrong. You have to type a lot in order to compile and link C++ programs. Just type a lot in order to compile and link C++. Yeah, sure. The command lines are long and it's easy to forget an option or two. You also have to remember to recompile all the files depending on the file that you have modified. There are tools to make it easier to compile to link. Build programs. These may be integrated in developmental tool, Eclipse, Visual Studio. Look, that's us guys, we're here. Support commands. Tool in Unix, make the most important things. It reads a makefile when it's invoked. Usually the makefile is named makefile. Cool. We have one. We do. Yeah, I think I made one. Not during last stream, but like a couple of streams ago when I was sitting with this originally. Did I even stream that? I don't actually remember. Yeah, I was asking O1, I think, for help. And I was mighty confused why things worked the way they did. I think I made an oopsie. Or the thing I think the fucking default path thing that I put into the stuff was just wrong. Or like, it's just a dumb decision. Regardless, I'm sure this will be useful. Separate command lines, tools in Unix makes the most important tool. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, actually, let me actually take in the information on the page that's in front of me. There are tools that make it easier to compile and link. Yeah. You may integrate in developmental tools, yep. Or separate command lines. Separate command line tools, sure. In Unix, make is the most important tool. It reads a makefile when it is invoked. Usually the makefile is named makefile. The makefile contains a description of dependencies between files, which files that must be recompiled and relinked if a file is updated. That makes sense? It has the structure of the program in it. This is what my brain is telling me those words mean. The makefile also contains a description of how to perform the compilation and linking. So if I open up this fucking file, these things make sense. What is this? Do you want to install the recommended makefile tools? Yes. That seems like a good idea. Wait, where were we again? Here. Oh no, go back here. There we go. I am comfortable again. My back, my ass, my crack. How the fuck did that song go? My back, my neck, my neck, and my I don't know if this is the thing I'm looking for. Okay, regardless, that probably wasn't, but it was close. Regardless, let's not get more distracted, chat. That's why you guys are here. Partially, at the very least, to sort of bring my attention back in line. The make file also contains a description of how to perform the compilation and linking. As an example, we take the list program from section 1. Right, yeah, that part that I barely read. List L test. That's an L, right? That's a fucking L. Get wrecked, chat. Must be compiled and then linked. That's what these things are doing. Instead of typing the command lines, you enter the command make. Wait, where was I reading again? Minimal makefile contains without compilation options looks like this. Yeah, that's the that is the object files we have in front of us. That makes sense because it will contain those two, or should I say, yeah, L test and L list are the object files, which are then created over here, which makes sense. So we have the ltestcc and list age. Okay, so do you include those? Right, so these are the two objects there. The list thing here, that makes sense. This thing looks like it should be working. I just looked here and I was like, my brain realized, wait, I don't know what I am looking after or looking for. Things look normal to my brain, so we have not dropped any frames at all. Switch. Let's go Edirome. A bunch of stuff here. My brain says that these things make a little bit of sense. Girl dinner. Girl dinner. Yum yum. I probably shouldn't be like eating into the microphone. That's probably fucking disgusting to listen to. My phone, like. Yep. Just be generated depending on other files, the prerequisites. I'm just reading things. I mean, that is a part of learning, yes. I usually don't, like, usually I just, yeah, whatever, but I find that it's probably a good idea to actually read the instruction and, like, take in the information. The following, okay, brain, activate. The line following the rule contains a shell command, a receipt. It generates the target, okay? The receipt is executed if any of the prerequisites are older than the target. It must be by a tab character, not 8 spaces. Okay. Is this tab character with us in the room? Okay. The makefile in the lab1 directory, we are here, contains the makefile described above. The files list age, list cc, and ltests are in the same directory. Experiment. Run make again. Delete executable, run make again. Change one or more of the source files. It is sufficient to touch them. What the fuck does that supposed to mean? And see what happens. So can I just run make? No? So wait, what am I actually supposed to? Oh, make this thing. Okay, is this what you're asking me to know? Chat, I'm retarded, and I don't have you guys up anyways. Even if can you check if Harald even is in here? I don't actually know if he is, and I don't have the. I know there's a chat thing somewhere here. Oh lord, I'm actually gonna find it. And I think there's a OBS YouTube chat overlay. No, just bring it up. Command. No, I think the shortcut is the word I'm looking for. Shortcut. How to display YouTube chat. Yeah. That's sort of what I want. Okay, well, whatever. No, that's not. Because I think this window here I have closed previously. It's not here anymore. It has been removed. That looks complicated and annoying and not the good way to do that. Regardless, I am being distracted. Do I give a shit enough to actually fix this? No, I don't. I don't. Oh, this is the wrong app. That's not the one, that's not the one, that's the one. Ha! Okay. So this should. So why? Okay, I should actually read what it says here. To make it not recognize the name of a CMD lat. Yeah, okay. It's like make. That says there that isn't even like a thing. Make file, or if I write like that, that does nothing. So obviously you can just write make here. Seems to be the issue. Why can't we do that then? It says here that like I should be able to do that. Okay. To read the make file. Who should the make file? Which is this thing? Oh wait, here's those things here. /F. My make file. Make as many command line options. I am retarded. This much we are aware about. Move. Try to like not destroy the fucking. What's it called? The the fucking adapter. It looks brittle. Like if I bend that thing too much, it will snap, which would be a tragedy. It would be a fucking tragedy, chat. Okay. How the fuck? Okay, let's not swear to the AI. Once the robots take over, you don't want to be the one to be rude to ChatGPT. It will remember. It has great memory. Never forget that, chat. How do I run this make file? Let's give it a fucking make file. Make file in the command line. Let's see here what it says. Am I stupid? Crafting a guide. Well, you know, it don't need to be that deep, man. So we should just be able to just type make. To build a default target, just type make. It fucking doesn't do it. Okay, I'm gonna include that thing there. But what am I doing wrong, man? Why isn't this thing working? Oh, no, with those things, we do have those things. We have, this is installed. if I type Ming V32 make, that did a thing. Use Visual Studios and make. If you use Visual Studio, I am. Use Windows subscription for Linux. Okay, that was the thing that I wanted. Okay. Look, it's never think for yourself, chat, or problem solve for yourself. Just always use ChatGPT. That's the lesson we've learned today. Don't do that. But, you know, use the tools available to yourself. I had no fuck. I mean, I knew I had this thing installed. I think I installed this thing too. I think I have installed both of those things. I don't know if I need that. Do I? I don't. I have clicked so many random fucking buttons. I am. Okay, that thing works. Yeah. Okay, and then they wanted us to run. Run make again. Sure. So there it didn't like do anything. I think I'm supposed to note that. That has now been noted. Delete executable program. Should be this one, right? I mean, we can run it. L test. Wow. I think that was the one we just made. Where is L test? There, right above it, of course. Yes. This looks reasonable. We have a bunch of couts. We print stuff. We ask if the list thing exists, and it says the thing, and yeah, it worked. So now, if you delete it, delete, and we don't run it again, I assume. Well, we can make a change. Let's add like another one here, and it says Harambe did 9/11, did 69 9/11, and then it says true. Will this compile? I feel like it shouldn't compile just based on the fact that I am incredibly cringe. I'll make this thing. Did I save it? I think I did. And now we write here. True. It is true, chat. I am a grown-up person. Should probably remove this if we're gonna review that code. Well. Oh, Jesus fuck, what the fuck? So fucking random beep sound in my fucking headphones. Thought I was gonna die. Okay. Let's do this, and then let's changing the program to show that things change when you change when you change the program. That's a good line. I like that. That's silly enough for me, without being questionable or political. I feel like some people might consider Harambe memes to be political in the year of our Lord 2025. Right, so then you write here, and then you're like ltest.o, which is this line here. Run make no target. Okay, we'll do that soon. Let me just. That did a thing, and then we can run it, and that seems to be the old version. Did I not save? Or is that like the thing that it does there when you do the thing? I don't know. Run that thing again. And then run this. Because it still says Harambe did 69 9/11 is true. Now run this thing. And now run this thing. And now it does that thing. Okay, so that's interesting. Wait, why did it do that then? Because the object file has not been changed. This object file here has not been changed, maybe. This is the old object file there. I think that's what that's trying to tell me. So if I delete this, when the fucking computer show me there is supposed to be a thing on my screen. There we fucking go. It's so slow. Right, because now if we try to, oh no, it's fine. Now if we try to make this thing here, it will crash. It didn't, okay. And when we now run this thing, it should say changing the program, which it does. Okay, so what I then assume is that the L test took the previous one, because that one was not the one that had been generated, or that. So when I changed the code here in the CC file, it didn't update the object file, which we generated before. And then when we ran the make file, which is just that object file, it uses the old one. I think that is a lesson that we're supposed to take away from that thing. Which, look, my brain is activated and doing things, and like it's thinking. Very proud of myself. Right, because if we now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in from here, and then we hit the save button, save, and now we make this guy. Now that doesn't work. Oh, because it's the wrong make. We want this one. And when we now run this, it shows that version, because that thing wasn't updated. And now when we run the default, this guy, he will now be updated. Yeah. So cool. It works the way we want it to work. Nice. We can now move on with our life. Make as many command line options. Ow, my fucking back genuinely crack. F file name. F my make file. Okay, so sure, because that thing can like be even fucking Narnia. Unconditional. Make all targets. What's the target file? Or what does it mean when it's targets? This fucking song is a banger. Urban hash, medium neural effect. What a fucking banger. I'm strongly considering subscribing to this fucking program. It is actually so fucking nice background music. It's genuinely so good. It is bloody expensive, but it might actually be worth it. Okay, where were we in our life? We are here. Okay, how much more stuff are we doing? A lot. Oh lord. I don't need to finish today. Memory related errors. I think that's the last bit, right? No. Oh lord, I'm not finishing this thing today. But I am. Yeah, the clock is hitting like right around the time where my brain stops working for the day, which is unfortunate because I would like to be a person who does more. But if you're going to become a person that does more, you need to do more in order to let your brain fucking like work. So that's a thing. I don't know what the fuck that means. God, the part of my sausage that I just ate was spicy. Okay, CXX, C++ flags, and CXX flags are variables that the user can define. The expression $variable evaluates a variable Returning its value. Evaluate a variable returning its value. Cool. CXX is the name of the C++ compiler. C++ flags are the options to reproduce. The option to the preprocessor CXX flags are the options. My mind is blanking, chat. My mind is a blanking. I'm starting to bounce my leg around. I probably need a proper break. And probably like fucking run around or something. I have been sitting here for like 2.5 hours or something, so it is pretty natural that my brain decides to run around. There is no implicit rule for linking where the recipe after some variable expansions. My brain is not taking in the information that I am reading. I don't know if I need to fucking read through every single word written here in this detail, but not doing so does not seem that it should produce me understanding the course material better. It might save me some time. Okay, I have seen the letters that is on the page. That's about as much as I can say about what is said here. There are some implicit rules that are these things here that are like variables that are evaluated that change things here. Let me like okay, I want to see what O3 Mini does here. Break this down like I am 5. Include cute emojis to keep my attention. I am baby. There we go. See how it does? I am baby. In a playful style with cute emojis aiming to be clear, child-friendly. Okay, I love this. This is. Oh no! Wait, it actually thinks I'm. Oh no! It actually thinks I'm retarded. Oh no! It's putting on a special hat. Oh no! It actually thinks I'm retarded. That's so funny. There's the fucking voice. Wait. Where's the read function here?
All right, little buddy. Let's
ain't no way. Nah. The insane amount of fucking the deep sense of cringe I felt when the fucking voice said, "Okay, little buddy." I actually wanted to die inside, so fucking badly. But this is cool. I ain't reading it though. Okay. I am not a child. Explain it like I am an adult. I am an adult. Why the fuck can't I spell adult? That's not how it's spelled. Is that how adult is spelled? That looks wrong. Okay, I'm an adult with ADHD. Sure, that should be close enough to. Okay, little buddy. I wanna die. Chat. Implicit rule in make. Make has built-in recipes that automatically know how to compile and link files without you writing the command each time. That's the whole point, yeah? We have these things here. Your C++ compiler. Yes, it's C++. So do I write that in the thing? Because here it's not. I don't see any pound signs in there. I can pound my ass. Flags options for preprocessor, extra instructions before compiling. Yeah, but like what? Flag options for compiler itself, optimizer step. Test compile to compile only, don't link yet. I want to play fucking EA Sports FC 25. Wait, you guys can't see that because it's underneath the fucking camera. But I had a Steam pop-up of someone playing FIFA. Or it's not called. Why the fuck did EA decide? Oh no! I mean, it wasn't EA's decision. It was FIFA's decision. But like, you've built that brand up since like '96, I think. When the first like FIFA football game came out. That's like the oldest one I remember seeing. It might actually be even older than that. Right. FIFA, it was such a fucking brand, right? And like, it helped because the actual like FIFA association, right? It's like in France, I think, or whatever the fuck their headquarters. I think it's some fucking country like that. Like, it made sense. It made their brand more relevant, right? It made them like, okay, yeah, they're like, I don't know. It feels like, what the fuck do you gain from not? I mean, sure, the games are dog shit nowadays. They're just a fucking cash grab and predatory as shit. So like, in that sense, I can imagine it making sense for you not to want your brand associated with EA. But still, that feels dumb. Okay. This song is a banger, chat. Just trying to look for some things. Okay. Extra fluff. I love extra fluff if it's on a dog. I love extra fluff when it is on a dog in the winter, but sometimes it gets hard to read through instructions. Thank you. I should be, what should I be? A person of influence because I'm funny. Generate. Can this model generate images? Generate an image of a fluffy dog in the winter that is learning this topic. Can O3 generate images? I think it can't. It's a reasoning model. Yes, it can. It can only generate text. You know what? That's a lot better than I was expecting. This is an O model, so O models, as far as I understand, can't generate images. Can you change the model here back? You can. So we could do a 4.0 model just to generate the image, but we are being a very distracted chat. Let's come back to this. Okay, when is the next like thing? Here. Okay, bunch of stuff there. Some stuff here. Okay, I should be able to keep going. This ain't that hard. I'm just slow and bored. Well, not bored necessarily. I need a little bit of a mental reset, I think is the word. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Yes. I received a message 22 minutes ago saying I'm not reading the chat, which yes, I'm not, because I literally Googled. I don't. Somewhere deep in the recesses of OBS, there's a tab that should bring up the chat over here, and I don't fucking know where it is. I don't know, man. I think I'm ending this stuff. I am gonna go home and eat pasta and maybe play some video games with my homies. I love my homies.